From our physical spaces to our schedules and even our mindset, we're ready to unravel the magic of minimalism. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Minimalist Living series, a transformative exploration of the art of decluttering, organizing, and simplifying every corner of our lives. Let's dive in. Before we roll up our sleeves, let's understand the heart and soul of minimalism. It's not just about getting rid of stuff. It's about making room for what truly matters. Minimalism isn't just a trend. It's a mindset shift that liberates us from the clutter of material possessions and distractions. By focusing on what adds value to our lives, we create space for joy, freedom, and clarity. Number 1. Decluttering your space. Step into your living space and take a deep breath. We're about to declutter and breathe new life into every corner. Discover the bliss of a clutter-free haven, where every item sparks joy and serves a purpose. Get ready to channel your inner Marie Kondo as we take you on a journey of liberation from the clutches of excess stuff. It's not just about tossing things out. It's about making space for what truly sparks joy in your life. Begin by diving into your drawers, cabinets, and closets. You'll be amazed at what you unearth. Forgotten mementos, unworn clothes, and gadgets from a bygone era. Each item has a story, but it's time to assess if it still aligns with your present and future. The joy test. As you pick up each item, ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it make your heart dance? If the answer is a resounding yes, it's a keeper. If not, it's time to bid it a fond farewell. Remember, every item you let go of creates space for something that resonates deeply with you. Bye-bye, guilt. The guilt of holding onto things out of obligation or nostalgia. It's time to bid farewell to that guilt and embrace the freedom of letting go. Release the things that no longer serve you and watch how the weight lifts off your shoulders. Embrace the empty spaces. Picture your space as a blank canvas, ready to be adorned with only the things that truly matter. As you declutter, visualize the serene spaces you're creating, spaces that invite calmness and creativity into your life. The 80-20th rule. Pare down your belongings using the 80-20th rule. Use only 20% of your items 80% of the time. Streamlining your possessions not only simplifies your life, but also makes finding what you need a breeze. Sometimes, it's the sentimental items that tug at our heartstrings. Snap a photo of these treasures before letting them go. Remember, the memories are in your heart, not in the physical objects. Donating and recycling. Your gently used items can find new homes where they're truly appreciated. Consider donating to charities or recycling to reduce waste. Giving back adds an extra layer of purpose to your decluttering journey. Number 2. Organizing with intention. It's not just about tidying up. It's about organizing with intention. Let's revamp your space, reimagining how you store your belongings. A well-organized space is a canvas for creativity and tranquility. Imagine stepping into a space where every item has a purpose, a place, and a story to tell. That's the magic of organizing with intention. It's not just about tidying up. It's about crafting an environment that supports your lifestyle and aspirations. Let's dive into the world of clever storage solutions. From multifunctional furniture to space-saving hacks that'll leave you wondering why you didn't think of them sooner. Journey through each room, curating a space that's not just visually appealing, but functional to the core. Remember, an organized space is an invitation to creativity, relaxation, and a sense of harmony that flows through your daily life. Number 3. Simplifying your wardrobe. Step into your closet and let's have a heart-to-heart with your wardrobe. Embrace a curated collection that reflects your style and makes dressing a breeze every day. Step into your closet with a fresh perspective. It's time to simplify your wardrobe and embrace the joy of minimalism. Picture this: a closet filled with pieces you adore, outfits that make you feel confident, and a morning routine that's a breeze. Bid farewell to the "I have nothing to wear" dilemma as we declutter your closet and curate a collection that reflects your unique style. From classic basics to statement pieces, your wardrobe will become a curated expression of who you are. Number 4. Streamlining digital clutter. In the digital age, clutter isn't limited to physical spaces. Imagine opening your devices to a clutter-free oasis that fosters productivity and peace of mind. Our digital world can sometimes feel like a labyrinth of chaos. But fear not, because we're here to guide you through streamlining your digital life. From inbox overload to app clutter, we'll tackle each digital realm one step at a time. Discover email management techniques that leave your inbox serene and organized. Learn how to declutter your phone, sorting through apps, files, and notifications that deserve your attention. Embrace the digital detox you didn't know you needed, creating a virtual space that's as zen as your physical surroundings. Number 5. Mindful time management. Minimalism extends beyond stuff. It's about managing our time with intention. By aligning your schedule with your values, you'll reclaim time for experiences that truly light you up. In a world that glorifies business, we're here to flip the script and introduce you to mindful time management. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what truly matters. We'll walk you through the art of time blocking, a technique that lets you allocate specific time slots to tasks, ensuring you stay focused and efficient. Saying no becomes an empowering skill as we explore how to prioritize tasks and commitments that align with your goals and values. With a well-structured schedule, you'll find yourself not just accomplishing more, but also savoring each moment without the rush. Say goodbye to overwhelm and hello to a balanced, intentional way of living. Minimalism touches every facet of life, including relationships. Your social circle will be a source of positivity and inspiration, enriching your journey. Embrace the power of setting healthy boundaries, those invisible lines that ensure your time and energy are respected. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, inspire you, and encourage your growth. But hey, it's not about cutting ties. It's about nurturing the connections that truly matter. A cluttered mind can be just as burdensome as physical clutter. Ever felt like your mind is a busy marketplace? It's time to create some mental breathing room. Welcome mindfulness practices into your life, the art of being fully present in the moment. Whether it's meditation that brings you serenity or journaling that untangles your thoughts, these practices can be your daily reset button. By decluttering your mind, you make space for fresh ideas, deeper insights, and a sense of inner calm that's simply priceless. Minimalism and sustainability go hand in hand. We'll dive into eco-friendly practices, conscious consumption, and reducing our environmental footprint. Embrace a lifestyle that aligns with your values, both for yourself and the planet. Embrace eco-friendly practices like reducing single-use plastics, supporting ethical brands, and reducing waste. With sustainable minimalism, you're not just simplifying for yourself, you're making a positive impact on the environment. It's about living in harmony with the earth, creating a legacy of care for generations to come. From decluttering your space to organizing your digital life, we've explored every nook and cranny of minimalist living. Remember, minimalism isn't a destination. It's a continuous journey towards a life rich in meaning, purpose, and fulfillment. So hit that like button, subscribe for more life-transforming content, and share your thoughts in the comments below.